Yo, what's up? I literally just got this package. Well, not just got it, but got home. I got it like a few days ago, but I had to invite two of the homies. I'm mad I missed that Mickey Mouse collab with Bape, but I saw the actual size figure, and I'm happy I didn't spend $170 with tax and shipping and everything. But when I start getting to learning how to edit my videos, I'll have it in the video pop up somewhere. But I did get one other item last week. Last week. Oh, that's gonna fall. I'm gonna filming in my bed. Literally just woke up, and let me just do a quick little unboxing. This is fire. I'm gonna try to keep that up. Yeah. So let's see. There's a little. It's called on something. It's not too bad. Bubble wrap. Okay. Packed by whoever. Okay. Card packaging. It's probably gonna come in a big bag like everything else does. Ooh, this is fire. I haven't seen an unboxing done of the t-shirts yet. I saw a bag, but I wasn't too impressed with the bag. Okay. There you go. You got the MCM on the bottom. Yeah. I got this directly from the site when it dropped, so will I ever wear it? Who knows? I guess I don't know what this is, but it seems like something dope. Let's take a quick gander and see what it is, guys. Is it a keychain? Are they gonna be fire enough to give us something free, y'all? Ooh, they gave us a free keychain, guys. Ooh, I'm never using this. I am gonna keep this. This is fire. This is fire, bro. All right, well, there you go, the unboxing. They blessed us with a free keychain. Yeah, I guess I paid that extra. I don't even know how much I paid extra for this, but this is actually dope. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will be uploading this right now.